Assalamualaikum and hi, how are you guys doing? I hope all of you are being fine. So we meet again in today's video. So my name is Nur Akmal. For today I will explain to you about maintenance management. Maintenance involves a wide range of activities which serve to keep the property in the best possible condition. Maintenance includes all activities in a building's complex which is improve the appearance of the buildings and grounds, optimize the performance of its working parts, correct physical, mechanical and other defects, reduce accidents and extend the productive life of the property. The objective of building maintenance is to ensure that the buildings and their associated service are in a safe condition, to ensure that the buildings are fit for use, to ensure that the condition of the buildings meets all statutory requirements, to carry out the maintenance work necessary to maintain the value of the physical asset of the building stock, and to carry out the work necessary to maintain the quality of building. In maintaining a building, there are usually several strategy options or variables. For example, the possibility of reducing the demand for maintenance by addressing the actual cause of failure and identifying its consequence. Thus, building maintenance can be divided into three strategies, which is corrective maintenance, preventive maintenance, and condition-based maintenance. Corrective maintenance is the simplest type of maintenance strategies, where an element in a building is used until it breaks down. It covers all activities including replacement or repair of an element that has failed to a point at which it cannot perform its required function. Corrective maintenance is sometimes referred to as failure-based or unplanned maintenance. Corrective maintenance tasks often take place in an ad hoc manner in response to breakdowns or user requests. Preventive maintenance was introduced to overcome the disadvantage of corrective maintenance by reducing the probability of occurrence of failure and avoiding sudden failure. This strategy is referred to as time-based maintenance, planned maintenance, or cyclic maintenance. Preventive maintenance tasks are performed in accordance with a predetermined plan at regular, fixed intervals, which may be based, for example, on operating time. Such a strategy is frequently applied to external or internal paintwork. Condition-based maintenance concept recognizes that a change in condition and performance of an item is the principal reason for carrying out maintenance. Thus, the optimal time to perform maintenance is determined from a condition survey used to determine the actual state of each constituent item in a building. In this strategy, maintenance tasks are determined and planned by efficiently monitoring the building's elements such as walls, floors, roof, and service equipment such as boilers, pump, and heating system to identify which element or piece of equipment requires maintenance before a major failure occurs. So thank you guys for watching. What do you think about this explanation? Leave your comment below. So that's all for today, and until we meet again in the next video. Bye!